maybe they're not registered yet in UIIA, whatever the case may be, then we are the ones that discuss that and talk to the road driver in regards to that. And then we tell them, the next step what to do, which is usually call your dispatch. And then we do deal with dispatchers. They will contact us. They call us directly. They'll call us and tell us, hey, the billing is good, and sometimes the billing's not good. So it's a little bit of a mix of both. But for the most part, that's what we do in here. So the TVs that you see, the top two numbers, those are today work times. The bottom numbers are month to date. So the average queue time, it's about 18 seconds. It sits in the queue. By the time that they get through the portal to the kiosk, and then by the time we get to it, we work on it. And then the work time, by the time we're actually in it, it's about 27 seconds. So it's pretty quick, as long as there's no issues. Sometimes things do take a little longer depending on what the issue is. But we usually don't let the driver sit in the lanes, so just sit there and wait. We'll move them over to a driver's assist building. We only have one yard that does not have a driver's assist yet, and that's just because they're in the process of building it. But currently right now, everybody will pull them over to the driver's assist, so that way they're not, blocking the lanes. And then from there, they can go over to driver's assist, pick up the telephone, and they can also call us from there. Or if they're using the UP Go app, they can, if they have billing issues and their dispatch says, hey, I got billing, they can go right on the kiosk in the driver's assist, and they can go ahead and they can in-gate themselves from there. Because it's on the screen that you can use UP Go in there. They can search for parking in there. They can print a new J1 if they need it, or if they never got one, or whatever the case may be, from the driver's assist from there. So anybody familiar with the UP Go or know how it works? So it's an app that that UP created, and that we, drivers can download it. You can just go to your Google Apps or whatever, your Play Store, you're going to put it on there. They register themselves on there with their name, their driver's license, their SCAC code, all that. And then they put an email in there, whether it's their dispatcher's email, it could be their own personal email. So every time that they get through there, when they come through the portal, before they come through the portal, they create this and they get a QR code. So they come through the portal, and the more they do it, the more the portal and the algorithms and everything, they start to recognize license plates and info and stuff like that. And then that's where they get to fast gate, meaning when they come through the portal, by the time they get to that kiosk, they're not entering anything. That gate just automatically goes up. They get a green screen with their name on it, and boom, they just go, they in-gate it. And that's because there was no issues, no billing issues. We were able to read the container properly, or the chassis properly, or, there was nothing. They just fast gated. They just, boom, they just go through. So when they get stopped at the kiosk, it's because there's an issue of some sort. So the more people that use the app, the faster it's going to be, for them. It is a very good tool.